Hello everyone and welcome back to Creative Vision. Today we are going to take a closer look at one of Ducati's most exciting adventure motorcycles, the Ducati Desert X. This is not just a motorcycle designed for the city. The Desert X is built for riders who want to explore beyond the ordinary, from highways and winding mountain roads to challenging off-road trails. So let's take a detailed look at what makes the Ducati Desert X so special. Design. Starting with the design, the Ducati Desert X immediately stands out with its aggressive adventure styling. The tall stance, muscular fuel tank, compact rear section, high front mudguard, and large spoke wheels give the motorcycle a serious off-road character. The twin-pod LED headlight design is one of the most recognizable features of the Desert X. The overall design combines Ducati's sporty DNA with the rugged appearance of a true adventure motorcycle. From every angle, the Desert X looks ready for an adventure. Engine. Now let's talk about the heart of the motorcycle. The Ducati Desert X is powered by a 937 cubic centimeter Testa Stretta 11 DGREL twin engine. This engine produces approximately 110 horsepower and around 92 nanometer of maximum torque, depending on the model and market specification. The engine is paired with a 6-speed gearbox. The strong torque delivery makes the Desert X exciting on the road while also providing the flexibility needed for adventure riding. The L-twin engine also gives the motorcycle that unmistakable Ducati character and sound. Performance. When you open the throttle, the Desert X delivers strong and responsive acceleration. The engine has enough power for highway cruising and overtaking, while its torque delivery makes it suitable for technical riding and changing terrain. This is a motorcycle that feels sporty on the road, but is also designed to take you far beyond paved road. Riding modes and electronics. One of the major highlights of the Desert X is its advanced electronics package. The motorcycle comes with multiple riding modes, allowing the rider to adjust the bike's behavior according to different riding conditions. Depending on the version and market, the Desert X offers riding modes such as Sport, Touring, Urban, Wet, Enduro, and Rally. The motorcycle also features sophisticated electronic rider aids, including cornering ABS, Ducati traction control, Ducati wheelie control, and engine brake control. These systems help the rider maintain control while riding on different surfaces. Suspension. Now let's look at the suspension. The Desert X is equipped with long travel suspension designed specifically for adventure riding. At the front, it uses fully adjustable upside-down forks, while the rear features a fully adjustable monoshock. The suspension setup gives the motorcycle the ability to handle rough roads, bumps, and off-road terrain while maintaining stability. Wheels and tires. One of the most important features of an adventure motorcycle is its wheel setup. The Desert X uses a 2-1 INCH front wheel and an 1-8 INCH rear wheel. This combination is particularly useful for off-road riding because the larger front wheel can help the motorcycle roll over obstacles and uneven terrain more effectively. The spoke wheels and adventure-oriented tires further enhance its off-road capability. Braking. For braking, the Desert X gets a powerful braking system developed to provide strong stopping performance both on the road and off-road. At the front, the motorcycle uses twin-disc brakes, while the rear gets a single-disc brake. Cornering ABS provides additional safety by adjusting braking intervention according to the motorcycle's lean angle. Ground clearance and seat height. The Desert X has generous ground clearance, which is important when riding over rocks, bumps, and rough terrain. The tall adventure bike design also provides fuel tank and touring. Adventure motorcycles are designed to travel long distances, and the Desert X is no exception. The motorcycle has a fuel tank capacity of approximately 21 liters, giving it good potential for long-distance touring. With its comfortable riding position and strong engine, the Desert X is capable of covering long highway distances while also giving riders the freedom to explore off-road routes. Technology. The Desert X features a modern 5-inch H-color TFT display. The display provides important information such as speed, engine speed, fuel level, riding mode, and other motorcycle information. Depending on the version and accessories, riders can also get smartphone connectivity and navigation-related functions. Ducati also offers a wide range of accessories for riders who want to customize the Desert X for touring or serious off-road adventures. Comfort. The riding position is designed for adventure riding. The wide handlebar, upright seating position, and carefully positioned foot pegs give the rider good control over the motorcycle. For long-distance touring, additional accessories such as luggage, wind protection, and comfort seats can make the motorcycle even more practical. Weight. The Desert X is a full-size adventure motorcycle, so it is not a lightweight off-road bike. Its weight is noticeable at low speeds and when maneuvering on difficult terrain. But once you are moving, the chassis and suspension give the motorcycle a stable and confident feel. WHOI is the Desert X4. So, who should consider buying the Ducati Desert X? If you're looking for a motorcycle that can combine highway performance, sporty Ducati character, and serious adventure capability, the Desert X is an extremely interesting option. It is suitable for riders who enjoy long-distance touring, mountain roads, weekend adventures, and off-road exploration. But this motorcycle is not designed simply for commuting. It is designed for people who want to explore. Final verdict. So after looking at the design, engine, performance, electronics, suspension, brakes, and adventure capability, it is easy to understand why the Ducati Desert X has attracted so much attention. The Desert X combines Italian performance, aggressive styling, advanced electronics, and genuine adventure capability. It is a motorcycle built for riders who don't want the road to be the end of their journey. For some riders, the destination is important. But with the Ducati Desert X, the journey itself becomes the adventure. So, what do you think about the Ducati Desert X? Would you choose the Desert X for your next adventure? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Creative Vision for more motorcycle reviews, new vehicle videos, travel content and exciting automotive stories. Thank you for watching. This is Creative Vision. Ride safe, explore more and keep chasing the horizon.